Good morning from the Appalachian Trail. Last night I stayed at the shelter. I was gonna hammock, but looked around, couldn't find any hammocking spots or good trees where it was flat. So I was like, I'll just sleep in the shelter instead. Had a really good night of sleep. Woke up pretty early. I woke up at like 5. There was something that was kind of calling outside of the shelter, so that kind of woke me up. So decided, oh well, I'm up, might as well stay up. Had a little breakfast, some coffee, and then I got packed up because I'm going to head into the town of Dalton in Vermont. It's only about 3 miles away, so I was gonna go there. There's a coffee shop, gonna have some coffee and probably a pastry or something like that. I actually need some protein, so hopefully they have like biscuits, sausage biscuits or chicken biscuits. And then right next to the coffee shop is a deli, so I was gonna pack out something from the deli. So highlight of the night, or highlight of the day, going to town to get real food instead of freeze-dried food or just snacking all day. I will be going, I'm gonna say like 16, 17 miles. I don't know. We'll figure out by the end of the day how many miles I'm going, but I'm going to the shelter right before I get to the summit of Mount Greylock, which a lot of people have been talking about Mount Greylock. So I'm kind of excited about that. So let's just get hiking and let's get to the town and get some coffee. I stopped in the town of Dalton, went to the coffee shop, had me an iced chai latte, and then a breakfast bowl with avocado, cheese, egg, sausage, and a whoopie pie. It was really good. And then right next door they had a deli, so I got a large chicken tender sub, which I'm gonna eat that for lunch, maybe a little bit for dinner, because it's a pretty big sub. So I'm heading back to the trail, and then I'm gonna knock out these miles. I looked at how far I'm going. I'm going to the Mark Noepel Shelter, which is about 16 miles from where I started at the last shelter. So I already have about 13 more miles to go. Got some big incline coming up. The Mark Noepel Shelter is going to be right before the summit of Mount Greylock. So I'm not going to summit it today, but I'm going to get it tomorrow morning. So heading back to the trail, gonna knock out these miles. There's this ice cream spot. Oh my god. I'll keep that in. There's this ice cream spot that you can stop at when you get into Cheshire, Massachusetts. I got a root beer float, and I'm also eating my sub from Dalton. So taking a break, eating lunch, and then I'll get back on trail. I'm just gonna relax for a bit and just enjoy this really nice day. Just got back on trail. I decided to stop at the Shell station. I was debating on Shell station or Dollar General. Stopped at the Shell station. The cashier was pretty nice. He's like, hey, you can fill your water bottle over here. Here's a little cone to make sure your water gets into your water bottle. So I got some dinner. Hold on, going through this little thing right here. Whoa. I got some dinner. I got a chicken Caesar wrap, got some Skittles, 2 Powerade Zeros. I used the cone that he gave me for my water to put the Powerade in, and also got a Slim Jim because I don't know, I had one a while back and it was really good, and I really need like more protein, so I got a really big one. So I got 4.4 miles until I get to the shelter, which is right before Mount Greylock, which is Massachusetts' tallest mountain, or tallest peak. So I'm already starting to climb, so I'm gonna get to it. So I got 9/10 of a mile till I get to the shelter, the Mark Noepel Shelter, right below Greylock. It seemed like it was gonna rain, but kind of cleared up. It was thundering, so I put my pack cover on. But it did sprinkle a little bit, but the rain didn't get through the tree canopy, which was good. But now, I've been sweating, getting into higher elevation, and it's starting to get windy, so I'm getting a little bit cold. But feeling pretty good. Almost there, almost finished for the day, and then I get to eat my Shell station dinner. So excited about that. So almost there. Good morning from the Appalachian Trail. Last night I stayed at Mark Noepel Shelter. It's a pretty good shelter. It's one of those Massachusetts bunk style shelters, and I really like the bunk shelters, so that's why I've been sleeping in the shelters in Massachusetts. And it rained a little bit this morning, so glad I didn't hammock, so I would have to put up a wet tarp. So I got 3 miles until I get to Mount Greylock, Massachusetts' highest point. And then after that, I'll be going down into a town. Forgot what the town is called, but there's a little shop that I can go and like maybe get some lunch and maybe pack out some dinner. Who knows, but we'll see. So ready to get to the top, so let's get climbing. The one thing I love about being up in higher elevations is you get into these pine trees. Oh, it smells so good. It's like Christmas at the top of a mountain. So I'm just gonna enjoy these smells. I made it to the top of Mount Greylock. Mount Greylock is Massachusetts' highest peak, and they have like a little memorial right here. And I already went up it. It was pretty cool. We're above the clouds. So I've just been sitting down, having a break, drinking some water, snacks. It's really nice and calm, peaceful up here. So they have a little tower that they have. That's I think it's a war memorial. And then just in front of me, where I've been sitting on this wall, is a bunch of clouds. I'm above the clouds, so I just been watching them roll by. So it's been really nice. I'm about to go grab my bag and get back on the trail. All right, so I'm doing this against my better judgment. I just, someone playing drums over there in that house. Just kind of rode out a thunderstorm. I was able to get underneath this kiosk. It's an Appalachian Trail kiosk, actually. So stayed here for a good 10 minutes while it was thunderstorming and raining. I was able to keep a little bit dry, but one cool thing was there was trail magic on the other side of the kiosk. So I was able to, while I was waiting, I was able to drink a sweet tea and also drink a Powerade. My plan was to go to this shopping place. It's about half a mile off the trail. Don't know what I want to do. I'm just really wet and just trying to dry off a little bit. The sun's starting to come out and I'll get back on the trail. Put this back in the bag. I made it to mile 1600 just after a big rainstorm. X marks the spot. I've made it to Vermont. It's pretty rainy. Getting out of Massachusetts into Vermont. I'm not sure if this is the sign for Vermont, but I'm just gonna do a video with it anyways, and if it is, then it's gonna be in the video.